The engine's working well. The idle is great. I can sit out here for 15 minutes and watch it idle, but my cylinder head temperature is too high. It gets close to 200 degrees. That could be for a few reasons. One, it's 105 degrees today. Tomorrow it's going to be 108. It also could be that I have air bubbles in the line that haven't got out yet, which does happen. And here I've taken two computer fans. These are 6-inch fans, I think, or 5-inch, maybe 5-inch fans. These are ones I used on another radiator on another build, and they would be put behind the radiator if it won't stick the radiator out any farther. So I'd run some kind of a what do they call it? Some kind of a fastening system, and put them in behind, and then hook these up to a switch and see if that might help. I just don't know. And my turn signals aren't working, which is pissing me off. I've just had this thing off too many times, and I've fucked up some wires or something. Now it's just little things. Operation Dio carries on.